Say hello, Joe. Are you ready? Meron pa siya. Are you ready to go? May ganun pa siya. Diba? Say hello, Joe. Are you ready to go? Started to step on the street. Hey, Joe. You wanna give it a go? You wanna give it a go? You wanna give it a go?
Natakot kasi ako pero pag walang men's one.
Sir, pwede ako sa to.
Kala ko si Miguel.
Sure.
Hindi pa sila tapos tatlo. Sige, kala ka.
Hindi fata ko.
Yung blocking set ang bibigay dun kay Mateo.
Himet. Tama, di ba? Himet marmalade. Kasi ako yung ano.
Mulan Rouge. Mr. Well, ano? Asa na Mulan Rouge? This one, my baby. This one, my baby. Ang sakit sa likod. Ang sakit.
Chris, Bugoy at Sen, maghanda para sa...
Sabay-sabay pa naman. Tatlo pala.
This is the first time I'm gonna go after 4.
I'm after Bugoy.
Panghuli na naman ako.
Oh my God, I'm gonna be with Gina Michelle. Come on! Because you just... You're gonna make me sapaw-sapaw. Stop. Because I want to meet Stars Con today. Just today, you know. Enjoy the glory.
Tonight.
And then on Sunday, I'm gonna sing with Ben.
Baby,
Yes,
bakit ka
mommy.
naging bakla?
Because mommy, you know, I feel so good.
Baby,
I'm so sexy.
ay, pagandahin mo ko mamaya.
Okay, mommy.
Okay?
Okay, mommy.
Oh my God, ang landi.
Mommy, don't touch me.
Uy, ang landi. Parang tutok.
Mami, don't touch me.
Chris, go ahead, San. Oh my God. Don't making them hintay-hintay in the garden.
Garden na. No, it's garden.
Garden.
Yeah, garden. Like mountain in the fountain.
Fountain.
Drinking.
Mountain drinking in the fountain. Mountain Dew. I want to be with you. I want to make you sama-sama.
Ano yung yes?
Ikaw ako. Ikaw ako.
Yes!
Ikaw ako, Shin Van. Ikaw ako, Van Mon.
Afat.
So sweet. Wah.
Si Pua laging late. Ulit. Pua, buguwalis, wa.
Mommy, look. It's so pretty. Bakit naman ang akin?
Ganyan, siguro ako mag-ending. Opo ako, tapos...
Number 5.
Ako walang ka-artihan. Paano kaya ako?
Kinakabahan ako.
Sayo-sayo lang sa...
Look, this is how I have to do it. No movement sa legs.
Aray ko.
I can let go my desire every reverie
Nauna
is
ka
on
pala.
fire, and I get a picture of all our yesterdays. Yesterday I can say I get a kick every time I see you gaze at me.
Lamig mo na ako.
Biduri! The sound of hearts beat like castanets, and forever we'll know their meaning. In the rain, December, the leaves are brown on the ground. In Spain, I did love and adore you.